just go up and touch it.
Yeah, well, don't.
He'll stop right there.
Yeah.
Give his knees a rest.
Yeah, guys, you don't.
Get a picture of it.
You know what he's thinking? Let's see how long I can stand here and make these people wait.
Because this is where he lives. He just hangs around.
Let's see. Do I want to go down or do I want to go up?
We'll go down.
He just came from up. He's on his way down.
He's just
It's
taking a
steep,
break.
and he's just kind of.
I'm afraid that he's gonna run.
Go wherever he wants to go. We
As
just
long as we
figured
don't
out.
bother him, he won't bother
We
us.
just figured it was sitting
That's why we're just waiting and letting him do his thing.
I'm getting that.
And I'm getting everybody moving too.
So I'll stay with you.
I don't want to get on those horns.